In this video, you'll discover the top 5 Grafana dashboards essential for effectively monitoring machine learning models, enhancing your decision-making skills and providing actionable insights. Let's dive in and elevate your ML monitoring expertise.
Have you ever wondered how top companies keep their machine learning models in check, ensuring they perform optimally at all times? The secret lies in powerful visualization tools like Grafana. In this video, we'll explore why Grafana dashboards are indispensable for monitoring machine learning models. Grafana offers a suite of features that provide real-time insights and help you make informed decisions swiftly. Today, we'll unveil the top 5 dashboards you need to master, enabling you to track model performance, resource usage, and more. Stick around as we delve into these tools, designed to elevate your ML monitoring game. Let's kick off with the first and one of the most crucial dashboards: real-time model performance monitoring. In the fast-paced world of machine learning, accessing real-time data is non-negotiable. This dashboard focuses on key performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score, which are vital for understanding your model's current performance. Setting up this dashboard in Grafana involves integrating with data sources like Prometheus or InfluxDB. Once configured, you can visualize real-time data, enabling you to make quick adjustments and ensure your model is performing as expected. Real-time monitoring offers immediate insights, helping prevent potential issues before they escalate, thus maintaining the integrity and reliability of your ML models. The second dashboard focuses on resource utilization tracking. Monitoring your machine learning model's resource utilization is crucial for optimizing performance and managing costs. This dashboard provides insights into CPU and GPU usage, memory consumption, and storage space. By visualizing these metrics, you can identify bottlenecks and optimize resource allocation, ensuring your models run efficiently. Grafana's flexibility allows you to customize these visualizations according to your specific needs, providing a comprehensive view of resource usage. With this dashboard, you can proactively manage resources, avoid over-provisioning, and ultimately improve your cost efficiency, making it a must-have for any ML operations team. Anomaly detection is a critical aspect of monitoring machine learning models, making our third dashboard focused on anomaly detection insights. Anomalies can indicate data drift, unexpected model behavior, or even security threats. Grafana allows integration with anomaly detection tools like TensorFlow or custom scripts, enabling you to visualize and analyze unusual patterns effectively. By setting up alerts for abnormal behavior, you can quickly respond to issues, thus maintaining the reliability and robustness of your models. This dashboard not only helps in identifying potential problems but also plays a significant role in enhancing the model's overall performance and trustworthiness. Latency and response time are crucial factors that can make or break the user experience, which brings us to our fourth dashboard: latency and response time analysis. This dashboard helps you monitor the time it takes for your models to deliver predictions. By tracking latency and response time, you can identify delays and optimize your system for speed and efficiency. Grafana's customizable panels allow you to visualize these metrics clearly, helping you pinpoint areas for improvement. Ensuring quick response times not only enhances user satisfaction but also boosts the overall performance of your machine learning applications. Our fifth and final dashboard focuses on deployment health checks, an essential component for maintaining robust ML operations. This dashboard provides a comprehensive view of your model's deployment status, allowing you to monitor for any issues or failures. Integration with C/CD tools enables automatic tracking of deployment processes, ensuring continuous operation and quick identification of potential problems. By keeping a close eye on deployment health, you can enhance the reliability and efficiency of your machine learning systems, ensuring they are always ready to meet the demands of real-world applications.
One of the greatest strengths of Grafana is its ability to be customized to fit your specific needs. Customizing dashboards allows you to tailor the visualizations and data points to align with your goals and requirements. Grafana offers a wide range of customization features, including various panel types, color themes, and integration capabilities with different data sources. By creating user-friendly visualizations, you can enhance data accessibility and gain deeper insights into your machine learning models. Whether you're focusing on specific metrics or combining multiple data streams, customized dashboards empower you to make more informed decisions swiftly. Grafana's powerful sharing and exporting features make it easy to collaborate with your team and share insights across platforms. By facilitating team collaboration, you can enhance decision-making processes and leverage shared knowledge effectively. Exporting dashboards is straightforward, allowing you to share visualizations in various formats, such as PDFs or images, which can be integrated into reports or presentations. Whether you're working in a small team or a large organization, these features ensure that everyone has access to the same insights, fostering a more collaborative and informed work environment. In conclusion, we've explored the top 5 Grafana dashboards essential for monitoring machine learning models. By effectively utilizing these dashboards, you can gain valuable insights, optimize performance, and ensure the reliability of your machine learning applications. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more content on machine learning and data visualization. Let us know in the comments which dashboard you found most useful or what topics you'd like us to cover next. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll dive deeper into data analytics and visualization techniques.